Hello, this is Dr. Jeff and excited to go to the 50-year anniversary of Venado Middle School. And it's going to be a wonderful time seeing performances.
We are celebrating Venado's 50th year anniversary, and I understand that today's celebration is the largest celebration in the school's history. We have hundreds and hundreds of students, family, parents, administrators, staff, board members, and it's just such a great party.
Well, I'm honored to celebrate with you and the entire Venado family and community today.
Thank you for being here, and it's going to be a great night.
Let's go Knights.
Go Knights!
Gathering together with folks who have been a part of Venado for so many years. When I asked Principal Torres what he was proud of, he shared about a school that is designed to overcome barriers. Is it true that every teacher is trained in universal design for learning? That is the case for Venado Middle School. This is an approach that overcomes barriers for all students by connecting first to the heart of the student, providing many different ways to learn and multiple ways for students to show how they have learned it.
Superintendent Parham, her cabinet, and our colleagues in the Facilities and Maintenance Operations Departments, represented here by Mr. Kelvin Aquino and Gil Sanchez, Dr. Keith Twominen, Principal from 2008. And I'm delighted to have the IUSD Board of Education members here with us, Dr. Jeff Kim, Lauren Brooks, Katie McEwen, Connie Stone, and Cyril Yu.
Having a chance to share some words of encouragement.
Please raise your hand if you are a current or former parent. Current and former parents, all right.
What will the next 50 years look like, and how will Venado Middle School and those who graduated from this place shape a world that is changing? And then finally, to actually have the open house and see the student work and all the amazing things happening. I bet for our alumni, these pictures, these photographs, these albums are bringing so much nostalgia and great memories of their time here at Venado Middle School. We're celebrating 50 years today. Great celebration.